Are you struggling to write a scholarship essay that actually stands out? With thousands of applicants competing for the same spot, your essay needs to be unique, powerful, and convincing. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide to craft a winning scholarship essay that increases your chances of success. Your scholarship essay is more than just words on a page. It's your chance to tell your story, showcase your achievements, and prove why you deserve that scholarship. A well-written essay can set you apart from thousands of other applicants. But how do you make yours unforgettable? Let's break it down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Understand the prompt. Before you start writing, read the essay question carefully. Identify key themes. Are they asking about leadership, challenges, or future goals? Highlight those words and tailor your essay to answer them directly. Many students go off topic, but you need to stay focused. Answer exactly what is being asked. Step 2. Brainstorm and outline your essay. Think about personal experiences that relate to the prompt. Use a mind map or a list to organize your ideas. A clear structure helps you stay on track and ensures your essay flows smoothly. Step 3. Your introduction should grab attention. Start with a compelling hook, a personal story, a surprising fact, or a thought-provoking question. This instantly makes the reader want to know more about your journey. Step 4. In the body of your essay, use the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. This helps you tell a compelling and structured story. Using real-life examples makes your essay more authentic and memorable. Step 5. Your conclusion should reinforce your story. Restate your key message and show how this scholarship will help you achieve your goals. This leaves the reader inspired and convinced that you are the right choice. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you submit your essay, avoid these common mistakes. Don't be generic. Personalize your essay. Avoid cliches. Skip phrases like, "I've always wanted to help people." Proofread. Grammar errors can ruin your chances. Double-check your work and have someone else review it. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to writing a scholarship essay that stands out. Need expert help with your scholarship essay? Visit our website today and let our professionals guide you to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more academic writing tips. Good luck with your scholarship application.